Hello, another week review. Follow me to read them out loudly one by one. Let's get started. 离开，离开，离开 leave. 停留，停留，停留 stay. 到达，到达，到达 arrive. 测试，测试，测试 test. 咨询，咨询，咨询 consult. 欢迎，欢迎，欢迎 welcome. 出口，出口，出口 exit. 入口，入口，入口 entrance. 关闭，关闭，关闭 close. 勺子，勺子，勺子 spoon. 刀叉，刀叉，刀叉 knives and forks. 筷子，筷子，筷子 chopsticks. 回答，回答，回答 answer. 留言，留言，留言 leave a message. 评论，评论，评论 comment. 耳机，耳机，耳机 earphone. 网络，网络，网络 network. 打印，打印，打印 print. 帮助，帮助，帮助 help. 完成，完成，完成 finish. 目标，目标，目标 goal. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.